taking our GMC for a little test drive. Got our auger back on, got the hinge welded up, threw a little paint on it. Seems to be working okay. There's the GMC, he's blocking the driveway. About fell out of it. The auger. Well, that's done. The engine's got one other issue. For some reason, you'll be going along, and this engine tops out at like 2,700 RPM. And it needs all that with this automatic transmission in it. Well, intermittently, all of a sudden the engine will fall down. It'll go to like 2,000 or 1,900. Stay there for a little while. You can stop, pull off the side of the road, take it out of gear, put it back into gear, and then you're good to go again for a little while. It's an odd deal, and I can't remember what the number is on this Cat. It's not a 3116. It's the newer version of it, and it's got that funky Huey fuel system and computers and circuit boards everywhere. We're going to take it over to Buddy Greg. I think he can plug it in and possibly isolate what's going on, because the check engine light does come on when this problem arises. So hopefully we can figure out if it's something simple or something complex and expensive. But there's your fast idle. You just hit your throttle. There's 1,500 RPM. And just hit that. Pop it off. Me and the old GMC, we're just used to pull cables on the back of the wrecker bed. This is pretty complex for us. Oh boy. The Jimmy, when he starts acting up, he's either got a fuel filter stopped up or he's out of fuel, for the most part. These newer engines I'm kind of lost on. Well, folks, have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll catch you later. Bye.